You will learn how to create teacher lanyard in Adobe Photoshop step by step in this video. We'll add the ribbon, we'll prepare the text, teacher text, and decorative shape. Okay, we'll rotate them, and finally we'll create a teacher lanyard like this in this video. Okay, short video. You watch this till the end so that you can create at the end of this video. Okay, so let's get started with the video, which is teacher lanyard in Photoshop. So first you should open the lanyard mockup file in Photoshop. Then you double click the smart object layer to edit the design. Okay, select the pen tool from the toolbar, and then you draw a straight shape for the lanyard ribbon. This is the ribbon color. Okay, next choose orange color for the ribbon shape. This is the first color we are placing, top and bottom. Duplicate and just both shapes, top and bottom. Okay, then you select type tool from the toolbar and type the word teacher. Okay, on the ribbon you adjust the size, increase, decrease, change the color, text color, whatever you can do it. Okay, so make sure this ribbon color, top and bottom color should match with the text color. Okay, now decorative shape you add, then duplicate it, you adjust the angle, best angle. Okay, you position and you make 2 3 4 shapes like this, and Ctrl plus S you shave it. Okay, so at the very end you will have a ribbon with lanyard, full lanyard, teacher lanyard. You can change the color if you want, top and bottom color, and center colors for the decorative item and the text can be different. So the link will be there, the project file link. If you want, you can check it out. Please like and subscribe. Wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.